Okay, good afternoon guys. Karon magluto na pud ta og chicken mushroom with malunggay. Okay, so tisa na tong garlic. Onions. And then tomatoes and spring onion. Good. Salamat pa lang guys. Sudan na. And then the chicken guys. I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper. Guys, it's super yummy na guys. Okay guys, so let's cook this one for how many minutes? We'll cover it first. We'll be right back guys. Chicken is cooked, so it's very yummy. So, okay, we have whole mushroom guys. Slice. And then God, oyster sauce. And then and then guys, yung ginada malunggay. Wow, it's yummy. Look at that one guys. And then I'm going to dali ra maluto guys. So, ang chicken breast guys, dali ra kay ni siya maluto. Okay. Okay, we're gonna taste it. More. Okay. Okay guys, so our chicken mushroom with malunggay is done. Look at that one guys. It's yummy. Okay, the mushroom, oh, there's a sliced mushroom and the whole mushroom. Okay guys, so that's our chicken mushroom with malunggay is done. Guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and unsupporters, thank you for watching guys. Okay.